Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So this is actually the fourth day of the vlog in reality, but I forgot to shoot the intro, so here I am. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, please consider subscribing. And this vlog is going to be like a collection of 3 to 4 days. Many things happening. So without any further ado and chapar, let's just get into the video. I starting my day with this lovely mango lemonade. I usually drink coffee. If you follow me on Instagram, you must have seen that. But today is a lemonade and a garlic toast day. So I did my breakfast and then I actually went and gave my plants a bath. I just cleaned all the leaves and stuff, and this little one accompanied me, and he was just playing with the plants, kissing them, and enjoying with them. But yeah, I really love how the leaves turned out. They look really nice and clean and pretty now. I try to do this like every week, once a week, but sometimes I skip also. But yeah, I'm happy I did it today. Next, we went up on my terrace. So it was raining very beautifully, and I went ahead and painted. For some time, I'll also attach a little clip what I painted, like a little photo. But yeah, this little one also came up on the terrace, and he enjoyed so much. And he was just doing chappa chappa everywhere. So he really enjoyed the whole weather. एंड सो क्या होता है ना मेरे घर पे, लाइक देयर इज अ लॉट ऑफ क्योस कि आज क्या बनेगा. इट्स वेरी कंफ्यूजिंग एट टाइम्स. सो वी डिसाइडेड टू मेक अ लिटिल मेन्यू. And the little one is again accompanying me. He was just making some or the other drawing. So I just took out all of my calligraphy जो मुझे करनी थी. सारी की सारी मैंने इसी में निकाल दी. I didn't do calligraphy since a long time. So I did a lot of calligraphy while making this, and now this is stuck on my kitchen wall, and it's easier for everyone to know कि कैसे क्या बनाना है. So one of my cousin brothers came into town and he got his new car, and we just went and did a little drive like near the neighborhood only, kahin dur nahi. So yeah, it had the open roof thing. So I'll leave you guys enjoy the roof and the view with good music.
I don't think I'll ever fall in love with you, baby. I don't think I'll ever fall in love with you. But we're going through the same shit, just a different person. You keep me above the surface. It's hard, but I keep on learning from you.
Mommy shark Daddy said Mommy said Brother said Daddy said Sister said Baby
Brother.
And so after that little poem from my nephew, here is the little namkeen haul that my brother just got this time from Grofers. He got a bunch of stuff, too much unhealthy things, but yeah, that's what it is. So I also decided to, make a little pack for myself at home, and that is what I'm doing now.
धोखा धोखा धोखा.
Now this is Indian households का धोखा, किसी के डब्बे में कुछ और होता है. So for this pack, you just have to take some methi, and that is my bhabhi also vlogging. So where you just add some water to the methi or fenugreek seeds and leave them overnight. And I'll see you tomorrow.
I don't think I'll ever fall in love with you. But we're going through the same shit, just a different person. You keep me above the surface. It's hard, but I keep on learning from you. I hate feeling so uncertain. She left.
So guys, I just came out of the shower and जो मेथी दिखाया था ना आपको, वो लगाया था. तो अभी तो मेरे बाल बहुत एक्सट्रीम रफ दिख रहे हैं.
क्योंकि मेथी थोड़ा थोड़ा बालों में फंस जाता है. एंड आई वुड एडवाइज दैट इफ़ यू आर डूइंग इट, अभी कहीं बाहर नहीं जाना है, सो डोंट अप्लाई शैम्पू आफ्टर दिस पैक. बाय द वे, अगर मैंने नहीं बताया है तो आई थिंक बता दिया होगा, बट ओके, नहीं बताया है तो मेथी था, उसमें दही था, थोड़ा सा ऑयल था, एंड यू कैन ऐड हनी एज वेल, इट वर्क्स गुड. सो हाँ, अगर अभी बाहर नहीं जाना है हम लोग को तो यू कैन जस्ट लीव योर हेयर विदाउट शैम्पू. थोड़ा सा स्टिकी और थोड़ा सा क्या बोलते हैं, ग्रीसी जैसा लगेगा, बट यू कैन जस्ट वॉश योर हेयर द अदर डे. ओके, तो दैट इज बिकॉज यू नो कि थोड़ा आपके रूट्स में रहना चाहिए पैक पूरा. सो दैट्स व्हाट आई एम डूइंग. आई एम नॉट वॉशिंग माई हेयर टुडे विद द शैम्पू. आई एम गोइंग टू वॉश इट टुमारो. Hi guys, so I just came back home. I am fully vaccinated now, and that's a very good thing. So please, if you have not got the vaccine abhi tak, please jao, get yourself vaccinated. My father got his first shot of vaccine and he got COVID after that. Like your immunity is very low in the first week जब आप vaccine लगवाते हो. So, but the good part is that my father's corona was not that severe. It was milder than, you know, the normal corona that people are getting. So that is the benefit of vaccine. You can get corona, but you will not have a very severe one, and you might not be, you know, you will not be in danger. So please go and get vaccinated. And now I'm just gonna rest for some time. I have ordered pizza today, which you will see in the next clip. So
And that is just something that my father did for my little nephew. You're going to see a lot of this in the whole vlog. And we went to the terrace again. We are actually trying to make this like a daily routine to go to the terrace and see the sky and stuff. And this little one was doing some exercises up there. He is a full entertainment package. And then I also got some pizza today. So you will know the reason in just a bit. I have attached a full clip where I talk about it completely. But yeah, I just pretty much got a choco lava cake, and we got a farmhouse, a small regular farmhouse cheese burst pizza, and also a tandoori Indi tandoori paneer pizza. So yeah, and I also got a little new plant, which is this, and yeah.
okay, so guys, I reached 200k followers on Moj, which is 2 lakh people. I'm like, oh my god, that's like a huge thing for me, and I am so grateful for everyone who supports me. And bas बहुत ज़्यादा खुश हूँ. And we got pizza. I think I must have shown you the clip. And the next thing that we have here is the choco lava cake. So इस बार बहुत बड़ा सा केक नहीं ऑर्डर किया. अभी मैं बोलूँगी कि मैं डाइट पे थी तो डाइट तो कैंसिल हो गई क्योंकि पिज़्ज़ा खा लिया, बट केक नहीं मंगाया इस बार क्योंकि कोई डेकोरेशन भी आ नहीं पाया था, डिलीवर नहीं हो पा रहा था कोई डेकोरेशन. सो आई थॉट दैट आई विल सेलिब्रेट दिस मौज का achievement along with my birthday, which is in a month, less than a month actually now. So I just thought that एक साथ ही celebrate कर लूँगी मैं अच्छे से. So I'm just waiting for that, and I'll celebrate this properly with a cake then. But yes, yay, we reached 200k. I'm like, oh my god. Oh, अब जब मेरे पास notification आया ना, like if you guys follow me on Instagram, you must have seen, like I was like, oh my god. So मेरा हाथ हिल रहा है तो I'm so sorry because थोड़ा दर्द हो रहा है, बहुत देर से पकड़ा हूँ. ठीक है, तो हाँ, तो I'm going to enjoy my cake, give my family a little bite, and we're going to celebrate it properly मेरे बर्थडे पे, जिसका व्लॉग भी आएगा. So subscribe, press the bell notification.
Look how yummy this cake is. Definitely a lot of calories and stuff, but I shared with my family also. So yes, very happy. And my MacBook too. If you have not seen the MacBook unboxing, go and see it. Actually, I didn't end the night there. I edited a little bit, and this is just a little time lapse. See you tomorrow.
Gave you my doubts and
Okay, so good morning guys. It's the next day and I slept a little late and I woke up a little late. So today is Saturday and I have holiday. So I usually sleep in थोड़ा ज़्यादा holidays पे. भी आज का दिन is about makeup. So काफ़ी ज़्यादा makeup शूट करना है आज. So I'm gonna do that in just some time. I have to wash my hair also. So देखती हूँ, अगर ऐसे ही चल जाएगा तो I'm not gonna wash. So yes, I have to shoot some videos and some makeup looks and आज बर्थडे है, लाइक बर्थडे नहीं है, मेरा छोटा नेफ्यू, ही इज टर्निंग 2.5 years. So we just thought that we'll do a little celebration for him because he has been like really घर पे बंद होके थोड़ा बहुत ज़्यादा monotonous सा हो गया उसके लिए भी obviously. So we just thought that we are going to celebrate a little bit with him. So that's what we're gonna do today. We are going to have the cake and stuff and yeah. Hi guys, I was shooting and अब मुझे उतारना है. बहुत मेहनत लगती है गाइस. लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब करो प्लीज. इट्स ऑफ. और मैं इधर देखना है मेरे को. It's satisfying for some people to watch like removing makeup. It is saddening for me. Like मेरे को रोना आता है देख के. भाई इतनी ज़्यादा मेहनत के बाद आप ऐसे निकाल दो. कैसा भूत लग रही हूँ मैं. Not a very flattering angle, but the worst thing after like doing makeup, maybe आपको आवाज़ नहीं आ रही है सही से. So I'll try to amplify the tone, but voice over कर दूँगी नहीं तो. But it's off now. After a huge मेहनत, all comes down to this. Oh, it's gross. Back to shooting. Another makeup look.
Okay, so this is something else that my father was doing to amuse my little nephew, but frankly, we all were amused and we were enjoying this little thing. I made a lot of slow-mos and everything also, and basically he did this with his ball also, that the clip is just gonna come. He did this with the ball, and this was really funny. He enjoyed so much. So we were basically cleaning the house a little bit, and also, फुलाने को क्या बोलते हैं, उसके लिए थोड़े बलून्स फुला रहे थे. एंड विद द वैक्यूम क्लीनर ओनली वी डू दिस एट होम ऑलवेज, सो इट्स वेरी इजी. So we did that, we added some balloons and stuff, and then I also went outside for some time to get some stuff for the little one. I'll show you that in just a bit.
Okay, so guys, I just came back home and I have got the best cake. I'll just show you guys that in just a bit. By the way, this cake is like 600 kg. Sorry, 600 grams. हाँ, 600 ग्राम्स का केक है. 600 kg, oh my god, 600 ग्राम्स का केक है. एंड दिस वॉज लाइक नॉट प्री मेड. ये मैं वहाँ गई, मैंने सोचा जो मिलेगा मैं ले लूंगी, एंड इट वॉज देयर एंड आई जस्ट गोना शो यू नाउ. एंड सो दिस इज द बेकरी फ्रॉम वेयर आई गॉट इट, एंड आई जस्ट ओपन इट अप. Struggles. Okay, I need a scissors. Done. Okay, so look at this. Oh my god, this is so pretty. I mean, I'm like, wow, कितना सुंदर केक. I don't know ये कैसे मिल गया मुझे without like ordering it or stuff. And I'll just show you. ये ना चारों तरफ से ऐसा ही है. Let me just pull this thing out. And you see, it is like this from all around. My god, this is so gorgeous. I love this cake so much. This is pineapple, by the way, guys, and I just love it. We also got one more surprise for the little one. I'll just show you that in some time. Actually आपके लिए तो split seconds होगा, but मैं थोड़ी देर बाद दिखाऊंगी.
अभी छूना नहीं.
कैसा है विहान?
Beautiful.
वेट, अभी आपको केक कट करना है ना? पहले बताओ कैसा है केक, कैसा है पहले बताओ.
पहले न्यू कपड़े पहनो फिर केक कट करेंगे. मम्मा से कभी
भाग के जाओ, न्यू कपड़े पहन के आओ. न्यू कपड़े पहनने हैं.
Happy birthday to you, Jan. Happy birthday to you.
Yay!
Then we all enjoyed a lot. The cake was really yummy and it was very pretty too. Vihan just ate the cake like this. Believe me, he just made such a mess in our home. But yeah, he enjoyed also. And I gave him a little Peppa Pig soft toy as a gift. So it was a great day. And I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. More vlogs and stuff coming up soon. So make sure you follow me on my Instagram and also subscribe to my channel below. I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, take care, be safe, and get vaccinated. Bye bye.
Careful, I'm falling apart. Maybe just stay